In the calm of dawn, the elephant begins its quiet, wise journey forward. Like the elephant, Stoicism teaches us to embrace the present and value inner peace. Its mighty presence reminds us to stay steady, grounded, despite life's ever-changing tides. Challenges arise like storms, but the elephant bears them with quiet strength and wisdom. Through such adversity, it teaches patience and the strength found in humble acceptance. Wisdom is not loud. Like the elephant, it lives deep within silent humility and strength. Like the elephant's slow, deliberate steps, life's meaningful journeys require mindful pacing. In quiet reflection, the elephant reminds us to seek wisdom within, not from outside noise. Embrace the elephant's lesson. True strength emerges from calm, steady, enduring wisdom.